And Wednesday night, we stopped by the student poster session, also held at the Marriott Marquis.
Tonight I'm presenting my poster investigating the relationship between mechanical and thermal properties of hydrogels. So we actually have created a nanocomposite using polyacrylamide and silica nanoparticles, and we investigate how the nanoparticles affect the G' or elasticity of the hydrogel and how that is correlated to the diffusivity of the system. So in our conclusion, we think that the diffusivity is directly correlated to the elasticity of the material, and as we produce more elastic or stiffer materials, the diffusivity increases.
The work I do is to try to create these HSA composite nanoparticles, which are made of a human blood protein that we all have in our bodies. So I'm creating a shell out of the protein and then filling it with either gold nanoshells, nanorods, or solid gold nanoparticles. Those have a very unique property. When you hit them with near-infrared light, they heat up. So I want to try to harness that power by adding drug molecules inside of my particle, so when those nanoshells are hit with the near-infrared light, it bursts the shell on the outside, allowing a tumor cell to be treated with the drug that's inside. And it also causes direct heating to the tumor site.
Tonight I'm presenting my poster on atomic force microscopy-based methods to study mechanical properties of cellulose fibers. Our research is focused on paper, and we have developed two methods in principle to study the bonds between two paper fibers and also the mechanical properties of paper fibers themselves. Because mechanical properties are important because they affect how strong a bond between two fibers can be, and if you can increase bond strength, you can reduce material for packaging, for example, which is wanted because we can then reduce costs of packaging paper.
We collaborate with some experimentalists who do AFM and TEM, and we want to understand the wear of their materials, and so we designed our simulations to really, first to be the materials that they're using, and so they're using things like diamond-like carbon and diamond, and also to do these finite tips that are parabolic. And we want to mimic their experiments where we bring the tip into the surface and we look at the adhesive properties, like, you know, is there chemical reactions going on? Does the tip material and the tip shape or the tip roughness, are those things affecting the adhesion and also the wear of the materials?
I think it's a great opportunity, especially being only an undergraduate and surrounded by so many well-known speakers as well as PhD and master's students. It's definitely a great learning experience, and I hope this helps me in the future going into graduate school and professional careers.
This is really exciting for me. This is the biggest conference I've been to in several years, and so to be able to talk with some of the leading people in the field and to showcase my work and to certainly get feedback, you know, things that we can do that, you know, that would improve the science and everything. It's just a very exciting experience for me.
Yeah, it's of course a great pleasure to me to do this in this materials-based community and hopefully get some contacts and hints and pointers to my research.
Well, I feel like it's a great opportunity to get my work out. And it also is a good opportunity to get me to think about things I haven't before. Someone may come up with a question and then offer an idea, and it'll be something I just hadn't thought of, but that's something that's really great about having great minds come together. You can learn stuff or think about things that you didn't before.